So that one day ensuring, by the way, you do. Most Tana you are, well. May the golden...
Okay, let me toggle on my side of grace. I will be right back.
Wait, I'm not done talking to people. Where's Gideon? Hey, rude ass. Nope. Hello?
I am back.
No.
What?
Okay. I was telling Fia I don't want no hug.
You know,
What
I
was
heard
you
that
talking about?
PvPers leave Fia's questline alone because they can use her thing repeatedly.
The Baudikin's blessing?
Yeah, because they like to have that extra poise.
Did a bunch of hugs. I don't really have shit either anyways, so that's fair. Already got a bow and arrow. Already got a way to cast incantations. Already got... yeah. Didn't mean to talk to you, buddy, sorry. Where's the shield?
Oh,
Let's go see if I can kill this guy.
what's this? Oh, cool. Oh, fuck, I still gotta... whatever. I'm gonna go get these guys first.
Nerd.
What?
Hunter's tongue.
That's not something you want.
Why not?
I mean, I guess for PvP it could be.
I just jumped out here and killed the dude for runes, honestly. Pepper Potta.
I'm dead.
Rip.
I got Scarlet Rotted.
Rip.
Very much so.
Oh boy. Okay. Let's get back to what I was doing, which was right up here in Caleb.
Oh, I have to hear it because I know you come up with stupid titles. What is your title?
Fresh tune, no challenge, maybe PvP question mark?
Oh, okay. I was expecting something funnier.
Sorry to disappoint? Question
It's
mark?
not a disappointment. I was just saying.
Well, say it to yourself next time.